It's time for action. It's time to change. There's power in unity, especially in moments of shared quietness. We feel a deeper connection to all souls and nature. We create a collective atmosphere with our thoughts. Make thoughts slow and calm, peaceful, bright, and kind. It's time to act for the good of all beings. Om Shanti.